Hey, welcome back to my online course for beginners, and we're now in the 11th lesson, continuing with the prepositional case, nouns singular. So last time we talked about functions of the prepositional case. We talked about the first function, specifying location where the action takes place. We looked at the forms of masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns. And it was pretty straightforward that all of the genders, they have ending ye. Now it's time to practice a bit these type of nouns, those nouns ending with iya and iye. So let's look at these nouns separately. We will also add a little bit of exceptions here in the prepositional case in this lesson. So, Россия в России. So I have this feminine gender noun ending with iya. In the prepositional case, I changed it to double e. В России. Англия в Англии. Don't forget to connect my preposition with the next word. Italia в Италии. Also notice my pronunciation of E letter here in this case. Whenever we have a noun starting with E, and previously we have our consonant, then it's pronounced as U. В Италии. Франция во Франции. Do you see this modification of the preposition? I have to add this vowel O to break up this cluster of three consonants in a row. Во Франции. Конференция на конференции. Задание, a task, в задании. Now this one is now neuter. Neuter, soft stem noun ending with ie changed is its ending to double e. В задании. Упражнение в упражнении. Now at this point we want to add one more verb to our list that we really need to specify location, and that is the verb жить. Жить, verb, belongs to the first conjugation, but it declines a little bit with the mutation of the consonant in the stem. Look at the stem in the present tense. Я живу. Мы живем. Ты живешь. Вы живете. Он, она, оно живет. Они живут. So I think previously we have had verbs ending with stressed ending. But let me remind you that whenever our ending is under the stress, then ye becomes yo in the ending. Живем. Good. Now let's see examples using this verb. Где вы живете? Я живу в Америке, в Техасе. Не знаете? Во Франции говорят по-английски. Говорят, но мало. Во Франции говорят по-французски. Почему одежда на полу? Why is the clothes on the floor? Потому что в шкафу тараканы. Because there are roaches in the closet. Sorry for a nasty example, but tarakan is a roach, a cockroach. So let me read this again. Почему одежда на полу? Потому что в шкафу тараканы. Кто это гуляет в саду? Who is this walking in the garden? Кто это гуляет в саду? Никто не гуляет. No one is walking, no one is there. Again, we have this никто, no one. Это декорация. It's just a decoration. Great, it was great to have you here in this lesson, and I will see you later. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.